happens, you find that there are also really strong commonalities across all of these different kinds of sports. So this shows you the tempo. This is the probability of an event happening as a function of time. And you see this. So this is the beginning of the game. It sort of ramps up a little bit, and then it's pretty flat. And in the end, it goes up. And this is NFL. There are 4 periods in NFL. And so inside each period, you see the same kind of pattern. It ramps up, and it's stable, and then it goes up at the very end. A big spike at halftime, and then a big spike at the end of the game. One fun thing we did with this was we said, well, could we go to Vegas and make some money? I mean, people do bet on sports. So we took these models that we built using the patterns like the tempo and the balance of the game, and we coded it up into a Markov model that we could then teach by letting it watch the game. And so it would see who scored points and when they scored points, and it would then parameterize an estimate of how good the teams were, and then we could simulate that Markov chain forward in time and ask the probability of the red team winning or the blue team winning. And then we decided to try it out against the real sports betting people. It's really hard to do that. They don't make their data available, so you can't do a systematic comparison. But we did find a live betting site that let us at least extract some things from their website that we could then compare to our predictions. What we found is that we're as good as they are. So we can't make money yet. I can't fund my research based on sports betting. I'm really sad about that. But it's interesting, in fact, that this really simple model, they're just like a handful of numbers that describe this model, does as well as the people who know all about like who's up and who's down and who got injured and so on. So I think that's pretty fun. And that was a project that I started when I came to Colorado. OK, so thank you to a whole lot of people. These are the postdocs in my lab. These are the graduate students in my lab.